With us we have Daniel Park of the senior class from Brother Rice for our TBA's number 2 interview. So Daniel, what are your thoughts on global warming?
Global warming, it's no fun, you know. It's killing the ozone, stuff along those lines, you know, with all these like natural gases, people driving their cars. Soon enough it's going to be summer and winter and summer, so we need that to stop.
Yeah, what do you believe is the source of global warming? Is it natural or man-made?
It's man-made, I think, you know, with all these, you know, big companies and their gases from their power plants. I don't know exactly, but I know it's something along the lines of that. So people are just wrecking it with big businesses killing it.
What is the most effective way of solving global warming?
Ride your bike. If you ride your bike and you don't drive your car as much, and you're doing stuff to, you know, you're going green, you're recycling, you're using, you know, less plastic and all that stuff, that's how you solve it.
Can an individual action be an effective way to fight global warming?
Yeah, Mr. Kushel does all these things, you know, for example, for the school and stuff along the, you know, if you're raising money in global warming awareness, people might start thinking twice about what they do with it. So,
what do you personally do to help fight climate change?
What do I do to fight climate change? I recycle. My family's big in recycling. You know, we have a recycling bin every Friday over on the corner. And it's not out there right now because it's Sunday, but we recycle, you know, recycle the newspaper, so we care. Park family cares.
That's good. What do you think of the current administration handling the climate change?
They could do a little bit better job. They could really step their game up and help us out a little bit better, so get on that administration.
So you don't think they're making a strong effort to help fight it?
I think it's going to come with time. I think, you know, they're just in the beginning stages, but I think it'll get better, so I should take that back. They're going to do a better job, I think.
That's good. Do you think that President Bush, in his 8 years in office, made a strong effort to help fix this problem?
Absolutely not. I really don't think he did anything whatsoever. I loved him as the president, but I really don't even think he knew what global warming was.
I agree. Do you think our new president will do to help fix this problem, in spite of all the problems that he is currently facing in his first 100 days?
Barack is, yeah, I think Barack, you know, I think he'll do a good job. He's pretty aware of all that stuff, and you can tell he's a little bit younger, a little bit more hip, so he knows what's going on. He wants to help out. He wants to go green.
Do you think that the state of our economy is in right now, being so bad, is slowing down the process and making people more aware of how bad the atmosphere really is?
Yeah, I think, you know, with people not working as much, and, you know, you see a lot more commercials on TV now. First about the economy being bad, and then you see it about the you see it with all that going on about the global warming. So I think people have really had more time to really think about what's going on.
After this interview, do you think you're really going to step it up and make a conscious effort and help them fix this problem?
Matt Conway, who's running this, gave me about a 15-minute lecture on global warming, so I am going green all the way. Green, 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 green.
Do you think this problem is going to affect our economy now and in the future?
Yeah, I think, you know, because a lot of companies are asking for money and asking people to go green. I think that people are putting a lot of focus on that, and we might need to focus on our economy a little bit more, so it might have a little bit of an effect.
Final question, do you think that the city government or even the state government of Michigan should be involved in helping solve this climate crisis?
Yeah, I think they should just, you know, awareness is a big thing. Just they shouldn't push it so much as just letting people know what the people can do if they want to do something to help out, so I think that's what they should do.
Thank you, Daniel. Live the 4th.
Yes.